So we're going to take a look at a feature in Google Slides that allows you to design your slides so the images and the content flow smoothly and don't get lost in one another. This feature is called the Explore tool. So what is the Explore tool? In brief, it helps you create a presentation with some guidance. It provides you with a list of suggested layouts. It provides you with layouts that kind of automatically arrange the content that you already have on your slide in terms of balancing fonts and images so the text does not get lost in the image. And it additionally allows you to search the web and search for images as well as your Google Drive for additional content to add. We're going to take a look at what this can do. Okay, so we're going to try it out now. So first, you will want to create a new Google Slides presentation or start with a blank slide. To really see this magic of design layout that Google offers, you are going to insert an image. We're going to search the web for an image. So in this case, we're going to search for a mountain image. And when we find an image that we like, we'll select and insert that image. This can also be done if you are importing or uploading an image that you already have. So instead of searching the web, I could have uploaded one from my computer, from my drive. It would work the same. Now there's text boxes on this slide and the image. I could spend time trying to resize all of these boxes and the image and making sure my font would show, or I can come down to the bottom right corner where it says Explore, select that button, and it pops up a window with different display layout options. I can scroll through and see what options I have for my layout. When I find an option that I like, that will work for what I want, I can select that option. Okay. So if I selected this option, I can type my text directly in here and it's going to be visible. Okay. So I can add the information that I want. If I end up having more information than what fits, I could change to a different view or a different layout. So I have these different options based off of what I want to do. So I can finish adding information. If I want to look for additional content, I can select on this Explore tool where it says search your docs in the web. If I click there, I can search for information and I can see a web search, which will take me to these websites. I can search for additional images, or I can also look in my drive. Maybe I have something in my Google Drive that I know fits this information. Once I am done, I can close the Explore window that popped up, and it still is at the bottom if I need to reopen. So once again, to try it out, create a new Google Slides presentation or a new blank slide. Insert an image. You can add some text as well. Select the Explore button at the bottom right corner of the slide and browse through the layout. Find layouts that will work for your presentation. And have fun.